Hello everyone, today I will show you how to resize a PDF to envelope size PDF using a PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select here Resize option, and standard dialog box, click this arrow option and scroll down, and here you will find this envelope. There are many kinds of envelope PDF size. I'll make it envelope 10 and select here unit ends and select all page or associated pages. So finally select OK and see this. Our PDF file now convert to envelope size PDF, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.